guy is a Malayan water monitor. The Malayan water monitor scientific name is Salavator. These guys range. These guys live in Southeast Asia. Average size is wrist size is 5 inches, 5 feet. Record size is 8 feet. Diet opportunistic feeders. The water monitor will consume virtually anything it can catch. Their salvia possesses a medley of toxic bacteria used in subduing large prey. The world's second largest living lizard is a close cousin to the Komodo dragon. This impressive lizard grows to well over 5 feet. Like their cousins, the Komodo dragon, the water monitor can inflict a potentially dangerous bite that contains living bacteria that will attack the wound area, causing great pain and, in a rare instance, lead to death.